at how easy it is to install this Neewer Overhead Camera Rig onto my desk here. So I have a lot of camera equipment, so multiple cameras and a couple of lights here, and I want to see if I can, well, attach that all to my desk. So let's get started. Looks like we've got everything we need here. Two of these heavy-duty clamps to attach this to the desk, and then a few accessories here, like a phone accessory, more accessories here, and then the ball heads as well, and even a clamp, a newer clamp, so we can attach different things here, all with like these 3.5mm screws for like your camera equipment. So that's pretty cool. So the instructions are pretty clear here. Just need to pick up one of these with the clamp, and then we can attach this to the desk. Much clearance you can get here. So this thing can all be the desk, because you can rotate this down. It feels pretty solid. It's a little bit wobbly, but I think that will be better once we attach this to the desk. To attach this to the back of my desk here, and then you can screw this on, so it's nice and tight. They're both rubberized, so you won't destroy your desk while doing this. And then you can get this pretty tight, so that is not going anywhere. I see here there's the rubber, so that's nice and soft. Of course, we need to attach the other one. So in order to see how much room we have here, we have this bar here that goes on top. So let's install that. Make this a little bit larger by turning this. Then you can slide that right out. So I think I'm going to need the maximum width here. So let's close that back up. And then the other one as well. Open it just a little bit. Slide that right out. That back up again so it's sturdy and secure. This is the maximum length here that we can use to install this thing. Okay, so this can go actually way larger than my desk here. So I can just place the second one where I'd like it and then shrink this to fit. So that's great. Okay, so here's the first pole. And then I'll attach the second pole right here at the end. So place that on there, and then again, just screw that on till it is nice and tight. So that is not going anywhere. And then let's get that main pole on there. Just unscrew those a little bit, and you can easily fit that on here. And then adjust this to like the right size. Let's get that on there. This one here, and then let's close these up. Well, actually, this one is just a little bit larger than this one, so let's move that over. So this one automatically slides back when you slide this one to the front. So they're both the same size, and this is right at a third. Okay, so now it did not go anywhere either. That is already pretty awesome here. And you get that overhang, so you can do like overhang product shots. You can do this from the side to the table to the next side, so it's always across the middle here. I don't do many unboxings like that, so I just have that to the back so I can attach all my cameras there. So there are a lot of accessories here, so let's look at those. First we can unscrew this little cap here, and then we have like the 3.5mm attachment. So you can screw that on, and then that will be just a little bit higher for your camera equipment. And then we have a second one of that. Looks a little bit like a pawn in chess. Screw that on right there at the back. That's cool. And then we have these additional accessories. Well, this is where you can attach your phone. The phone clip, it's nice that they put that in there as well. And then you have this ball head here with a clamp, which is cool. And then this ball head here, and you can attach that also to this one, but also here on the top is securely fastened. And then you can turn this any way you like, and also tighten that so that's not going anywhere. So you can have your lights like a little bit slanted, which is also pretty cool. You can put a light on there and it would be a little bit slanted here. And of course you have the clamp right here. You can attach that here right on the middle. So you can do like your product photography shots or your unboxing right down to the desk. I'm now going to attach it here to the pole. So just unclamp that. So that's pretty sturdy. And then you can clamp that here to this pole. You can also unclamp this a little bit. Again here. So this is in a fixed position. So overall, this thing is very, very sturdy. It's very easy to install, and this can hold quite a bit of load. So the crossbar load capacity is 5 kilograms and the vertical stand load capacity 12 kilograms. So this can hold quite a little bit of equipment here. So 5 kilograms is definitely enough to hold like your DSLR camera or mirrorless camera and do like your product shots or unboxing videos. So it's pretty cool. And then this is sturdy enough to hold like a camera and any type of lights that you might use. So that's also very, very cool. And just for anyone looking for a very cool overhanging camera rig here.